When it comes to home improvements, especially in the bathroom, many homeowners in mobile are prioritizing both comfort and cost savings. Walk-in baths have become a popular choice for those looking to enhance the safety, functionality, and luxury of their bathrooms. However, when combined with energy-efficient features, these baths offer a range of benefits that go beyond comfort. They can also help save money on utility bills. If you're considering installing a walk-in bath in your mobile home, choosing an energy-efficient model is a smart decision. Not only will you enjoy the therapeutic and safety benefits of a walk-in bath, but you'll also reduce your home's energy consumption and lower your monthly costs. In this article, we'll explore the advantages of energy-efficient walk-in baths and how they can help you save money while providing superior comfort. Reduced energy usage with efficient heating. One of the most significant advantages of energy-efficient walk-in baths is their ability to use less energy while still providing a warm, relaxing experience. Traditional bathtubs often require large amounts of hot water to fill, especially when the water is heated by electric or gas-powered water heaters. In contrast, energy-efficient walk-in baths are designed with improved insulation and smaller water volumes, meaning they require less hot water to achieve the same level of comfort. Many energy-efficient walk-in baths are equipped with high-quality insulation materials that help retain heat within the water, reducing the need to constantly reheat the water during your bath. This insulation ensures that the water remains warm throughout your soak, allowing you to enjoy your bath without the added cost of excessive energy consumption. Whether you're relaxing after a long day or using your walk-in bath for therapeutic purposes, this energy-efficient feature helps you enjoy comfort while saving on heating costs. Hot water conservation with low-flow technology. Another feature that can help you save money with energy-efficient walk-in baths is low-flow technology. Unlike traditional bathtubs, which use large amounts of water to fill, energy-efficient walk-in baths are designed with low-flow systems that use significantly less water while still providing a satisfying bathing experience. These systems are particularly beneficial for people in mobile, where water conservation is a concern. By using less water, energy-efficient walk-in baths not only help lower your water bills but also reduce the strain on your home's water heater. This helps minimize the energy required to heat water, allowing you to save on both water and energy costs. The low-flow design also contributes to a more eco-friendly home by reducing your overall water usage, which is beneficial for both your wallet and the environment. Efficient hydrotherapy features for health and savings. Many walk-in baths come equipped with hydrotherapy jets that provide soothing massages, which can help alleviate muscle pain, improve circulation, and relieve stress. While these features provide significant therapeutic benefits, they also tend to use more water and energy. However, energy-efficient walk-in baths are designed with advanced hydrotherapy systems that maximize water and energy usage. For example, energy-efficient hydrotherapy systems use targeted jets and controlled water flow to provide a therapeutic experience without excessive energy consumption. These systems are designed to deliver the same health benefits as traditional hydrotherapy baths, but with reduced water and energy usage. This means that you can enjoy the health benefits of hydrotherapy while keeping your utility bills in check. Longer-lasting performance and durability. Energy-efficient walk-in baths are often constructed with high-quality, durable materials that are built to last. This means that, in addition to saving money on your utility bills, you won't have to worry about frequent repairs or replacements. High-quality materials such as fiberglass, acrylic, or reinforced steel are commonly used in energy-efficient models, ensuring that your bath remains in good condition for years to come. These durable materials are also resistant to stains, corrosion, and mold growth, which helps reduce the need for costly maintenance or replacements. By investing in a high-quality, energy-efficient walk-in bath, you're making a long-term investment in your home's comfort and efficiency, which ultimately helps you save money over time. Reducing your carbon footprint. Energy-efficient walk-in baths are not only beneficial for your budget but also for the environment. By using less water and energy, you reduce your home's overall environmental impact. In mobile, where sustainability is becoming increasingly important, choosing an energy-efficient walk-in bath is a responsible choice that helps conserve valuable resources. Energy-efficient walk-in baths contribute to lowering your carbon footprint by reducing the energy needed to heat water and the water required for bathing. This makes them a great addition to any home looking to reduce its environmental impact while still providing a luxurious, comfortable, and safe bathing experience. Improved comfort and relaxation. Ultimately, the most important benefit of a walk-in bath is the comfort and relaxation it provides. Energy-efficient walk-in baths allow you to enjoy a relaxing soak without the guilt of high energy bills. Whether you're using the bath for therapeutic purposes, stress relief, or simply to unwind after a busy day, energy-efficient walk-in baths provide the comfort you need while keeping costs low. The combination of advanced insulation, low-flow systems, and energy-efficient hydrotherapy jets ensures that you get the most out of your bath while minimizing your energy consumption. This makes your bathing experience even more enjoyable, knowing that you're saving money while indulging in a luxurious, therapeutic soak. Conclusion: energy-efficient walk-in baths are an excellent choice for homeowners in Mobile who are looking to upgrade their bathroom with a functional, cost-effective, and comfortable solution. With features like efficient heating, low-flow technology, durable materials, and energy-saving hydrotherapy systems, these baths allow you to enjoy long-lasting comfort without increasing your utility bills. By investing in an energy-efficient walk-in bath, you can enjoy the perfect balance of relaxation, health benefits, and savings. Whether you're looking to improve your bathroom's functionality, enhance your wellness routine, or reduce your environmental impact, an energy-efficient walk-in bath is the ideal solution. Make the smart choice today and start saving money while enjoying a more comfortable bathing experience.